In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your Notion workspace, creating a seamless integration that enhances your productivity and organizes your schedule in one convenient place. Whether you already use Notion for task management or wish to make your Google Calendar more accessible, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of embedding a read-only version of your calendar right into your Notion dashboard. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Calendar. If you haven't already, open it up in your browser and look for the settings icon, which is represented by a little gear symbol towards the top right. Click on Settings, and you'll arrive at a page filled with various customization options for your calendar interface and functionality. Next, you'll navigate to Settings for My Calendars located on the left-hand side. This section allows you to choose which specific calendar you want to embed. If you have multiple calendars, select the one you wish to add to your Notion workspace. Once you've selected your chosen calendar, the page will refresh to show settings specific to that calendar. Now let's make sure your calendar is accessible for embedding. Under Access Permissions for Events, locate the option labeled Make Available to Public and switch it on. It's crucial to understand that turning this option on makes your calendar visible to anyone with the URL, so ensure you're comfortable with this setting before proceeding. After that, you'll need to scroll down to the section labeled Integrate Calendar. This is where you'll find the public URL to this calendar or the embed code. Copy the public URL. It serves as the link you'll embed into Notion. With the URL copied, switch over to your Notion workspace. Determine the page where you want your calendar displayed. Once on the desired page, click anywhere within the workspace, type Embed in the block that appears, and press Enter. This prompt tells Notion you want to embed external content. Now paste the Google Calendar link you earlier copied into the embed block. Press Enter again, and you should see your Google Calendar appear within your Notion page. It's seamlessly integrated, adding a layer of scheduling power to your Notion documents. Lastly, adjust your calendar view to fit your needs. You can drag the corners of the block to resize your Google Calendar, fitting it perfectly on your Notion page. Notion allows you to switch between different views, such as week, month, or agenda, ensuring you have the right perspective on your schedule. With these steps completed, your Google Calendar will be comfortably embedded within your Notion workspace, keeping you organized and focused without having to juggle multiple applications. Happy organizing!